Good morning to all of you. Myself Irfan Khan from Alchem Science Tutorials. Today we are going to study about different type of chemical reaction, that is all about the inorganic reaction. You can see here combination reaction, displacement reaction, decomposition reaction and double displacement reaction. This all the four reaction is related to the inorganic chemistry. So this type of reaction is mostly related to the 10th standard students. So we will study about this reaction one by one. You can see here combination reaction. Combination reaction is one of the type of chemical reaction in which single product is going to form from one or two reactant. You can see here carbon is going to react with oxygen, and after that it will going to form carbon dioxide as a product. So you can see here carbon and oxygen is two reactant going to react with each other and going to form single carbon dioxide. That's why this reaction is called as combination reaction. Means two reactant is going to combine to each other and single product is going to form. So such a reaction is called as combination reaction. Another example of combination reaction is formation of water. In this reaction also you can see here hydrogen and oxygen is going to combine each other and single water molecule is going to form. So this is all about the combination reaction. Let's understand this next reaction, displacement reaction. Displacement reaction is also one of the type of inorganic reaction. In this reaction actually more reactive element is going to displace the less reactive element. In this reaction you can see here ferrous is more reactive than copper, so that's why ferrous is going to displace copper and it will going to form ferrous sulfate as a product. In this reaction you can see here the more reactive element is going to displace the less reactive element. Ferrous having the more reactivity and as compared to copper, so that's why it will going to displace copper and it will going to form ferrous sulfate as a product. So this is all about the displacement reaction. Let's understand this next reaction, decomposition reaction. This is also one of the type of inorganic reaction. In this reaction actually this type of reaction is mostly takes place with the help of heat, because after the absorbing of heat by any chemical it will going to start split. So similarly in this reaction same condition is going to apply. After the observing of too much amount of heat, the product is or reactant is going to split into simple molecule. You can see here as an example ferrous sulfate is react with heat and after that it will going to form ferric oxide and sulfur dioxide and sulfur trioxide. So single product is going to split into two or more molecules. So that's why this type of reaction is going to say decomposition reaction. This is only decomposition is going to take place in this reaction. And next reaction is double displacement reaction. Double displacement reaction is also one of the type of inorganic reaction. In this reaction actually double displacement is going to take place, but this type of displacement is mostly takes place by the exchange of ion between a reactant. So you can see as an example sodium sulfate is going to react with barium chloride and after that barium sulfate is going to form as a precipitate and sodium chloride is going to form as a byproduct. So in this reaction actually exchange of ion is excellent. Sodium ions is going to exchange with barium and after that it will going to form the barium sulfate and sodium chloride. So this is all about the displacement reaction. Please subscribe our channel, like Alchem Science Tutorial.